Kenneth. Say hey. Look, say hey. Where your juice? Say juice. Go get your juice. Uh-oh. Come on here. Come on here. Say thank you. Give me your juice. Your juice. Say thank you. Say bye-bye. Look, Kenneth. Bye-bye. Thank you. Say please. You want the juice? Say juice. Say juice. Kenneth, say juice. Say please. What you gonna say? Say thank you.